Hey, welcome everyone to Pity's Ghost Tripping. We're going to show off the MGM Grand Executive Suite. They are currently working on remodeling their rooms, and this is one of the recently remodeled ones. We have a connecting door in this room. And here is the living room. This is a studio suite, so there is not a door in between your bedroom and your living room. This is the view from this particular room, so not super amazing, but how much do you look out the window anyways? Nice big TV. There is a little mini bar area right here. And then this is the bathroom. You have the his and her sinks. Large shower. Chair for sitting down in. And of course the toilet. And this has like the slider door to have that separation in the toilet. And then we come into the bedroom. Ignore the inner tube, we went swimming. So here we are with the bedroom. Also has a nice big TV on this side of the separator divider. And a nice big window on this one as well. You can see the monorail going by. Nice nightstands with charging stations. And you have a decent sized closet. With, of course, a safe. And there is a mirror on this side, which is nice. You have a full-length mirror here if you need it on both sides of the doors, which is a nice feature for us ladies. And there is 2 thermostats, so the room stays nice and cool. Oh, by the way, they give you earplugs, so I guess they're expecting it to be noisy. It is noisy on the Strip, ladies and gentlemen. Don't expect to have a quiet room if you're staying on the Strip. MGM Grand Hotel is massive. They do have 4 very long hallways for all of their rooms. So you can definitely get lost. This is the center. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day.